I pressed record. It would be great if you could just count to 5 after I ask you a question, so that way...
Count to 5, is that what you said?
Yes, so that way you can cut my portion out.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, actually, let me...
How straight to sit.
You look great.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. So, do you mind telling us a little bit about your business?
Sure. Basil Tree Catering, we're coming up on our 25-year anniversary in March, so we've been around for a long time. We started actually as a wholesale, sold salads and soups and entrees to stores, and then started catering, and catering took off, and we ended the wholesale piece of our business. And we sell mostly to universities and hospitals and nonprofits and corporations for different types of catering events, lunches, breakfast, dinners, drop-off events that they might have, faculty meetings, that sort of thing. Might want to do that whenever. Do I get to do do-overs?
Yeah, sure.
That was also great. You can just keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah,
Okay.
like
You took a little bit about my staff or something. Yeah.
Do you want to see how?
Maybe the natural
I think
food.